Hello, aviation enthusiasts! Welcome back to Aircraft Technician Network, where we dive into all things aviation maintenance. Today we're focusing on aircraft maintenance training in Nigeria. Did you know that there are about 29 NCAA-approved training organizations in Nigeria as of September 2024? Only 21 are active. Out of these, only 5 active organizations offer courses specifically in aircraft maintenance engineering. Stick around as we reveal these top ATOs where you can get trained to obtain your NCAA license in 2024 and what they have to offer. Let's get started. Aircraft maintenance is a critical aspect of aviation, ensuring the safety and airworthiness of aircraft. The Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, NCAA, rigorously approves and monitors training organizations to maintain high standards in aviation training. As of now, Nigeria has about 29 approved training organizations. However, only 5 of the active ATOs focus specifically on aircraft maintenance. The rest offer a variety of courses including pilot training, flight dispatch, air traffic control, cabin crew training, radio telephony, and more. Let's take a closer look at the 5 active aircraft maintenance engineering (AME) training organizations in Nigeria as at September 2024. Our first institution is the Nigerian College of Aviation Technology, or NCAT, located in Zaria. NCAT, with registration number NCAA-ATO-AA001, is recognized as the oldest and one of the most prestigious aviation training centers in Nigeria. It offers comprehensive aircraft maintenance courses, focusing on equipping students with both theoretical knowledge and practical skills needed to maintain and repair aircraft. It offers courses in unpressurized airframe maintenance, gas turbine power plant, piston engine, DC electrics, and instruments, remote and direct compass, among others. NCAT has a reputation for excellence, with modern facilities and experienced instructors who ensure that their students meet international standards. Next, we have the Air Force Institute of Technology, also known as AFIT, based in Kaduna. AFIT, with registration number NCAA-ATO-AA005, is well known for its military and civilian training programs. This institution offers specialized courses in unpressurized airframe maintenance, gas turbine power plant, A and P, DC electrics, and instruments. AFIT's rigorous training programs are designed to meet the demands of both military and civilian aviation sectors, making it a top choice for those looking to excel in aircraft maintenance. It has seasoned instructors and maintains a solid collaboration with Dornier Aviation Nigeria AEIP, another ATO collocated on the NAF base at the Kaduna Old Airport. Moving on, next is Eastwing Aviation Training Center, located at Emene, Enugu. Eastwing, with registration number NCAA-ATO-AA020, offers a range of aircraft maintenance courses. These include aircraft maintenance engineering license preparatory courses, training on pressurized and unpressurized airframes, gas turbine engines, piston engines, avionics instruments, avionics electrics, rotary wings, and human factors in maintenance. Eastwing's curriculum is designed to prepare students thoroughly for the challenges of modern aircraft maintenance. Fourth on our list is Zulia IP Technics Limited, located in Lagos. Zulia, with registration number NCAA-ATO-AA023, offers courses in airframe and power plant as well as avionics. This organization is known for its hands-on training approach, allowing students to work directly with aircraft components under the guidance of experienced professionals. Zulia IP Technics emphasizes practical skills and knowledge, ensuring that graduates are ready to tackle real-world maintenance challenges. Finally, we have Aviation Technics and Training International, located in Lagos. Aviation Technics, with registration number NCAA-ATO-AA028. This institution provides comprehensive courses covering airframe and power plant maintenance, avionics, human factors in maintenance, gas turbine engines, and pressurized metal airframe courses. Aviation Technics focuses on delivering quality education through both classroom instruction and practical training, ensuring students are well prepared to maintain and repair complex aircraft systems. So there you have it. 5 NCAA-approved active training organizations in Nigeria offering specialized courses in aircraft maintenance engineering where you can get trained to obtain your NCAA AME license in 2024. These institutions are crucial for maintaining the highest standards of aviation safety and efficiency. Whether you're starting your career in aviation or looking to enhance your skills, these schools provide excellent training opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Aircraft Technician Network, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, keep reaching for the skies.